Hey everyone, it is a summer Monday and we have a fresh 5-session set ahead of us with a lot of opportunity with earnings week. But I wanted to make today's video quickly about sort of a don't give up type of theme. And I promise you I'm not going to turn this into a motivational speech sort of channel, but I do think it's appropriate here at this point to just kind of give you a couple of words. It is summer and a lot of people are out. I'm telling you, it's more or less dead quiet. You walk through any major financial city right now and it's very, very quiet. But there's always opportunity. But I guess, you know, along the same lines, I wanted to, and I'm still having this, so I have to kind of hold this so it doesn't hurt my wrist. I wanted to just quickly go through a couple things. You know, a lot of things in life that are, probably anything in life worth pursuing is not easy, right? Think about anything that you accomplished that was meaningful enough probably didn't come easy. And if it did, it was kind of an anomaly, right? It's the same thing with trading. Trading is not easy. It really isn't. And that's one of the things that I, you know, I disagree with a lot of the sort of education out there that promises that it's super easy. All you need is to do this and that and, you know, one or two things. And it's not. There's a process, and it doesn't take weeks to learn. It doesn't take months. It takes years to learn. It doesn't mean you can't be profitable before then, but you'll always learn. I've done this for 21 years, and I'm learning every single day. But if you really are serious about it, just like if you might be seriously getting in great shape, you don't give up with this. It's important not to give up. Now, there's a big difference between this, though, and say something like working out, where here, you know, your real money's on the line, whereas in the gym, maybe some money is tied up into a gym membership, but mostly it's time and you know, I guess that you're putting at stake. Here it's time and money, and that's why it's all the more important to be conservative and really go through and learn this stuff. So let me show you guys. I wanted to just quickly show you a very simple example of I think it just illustrates, you know, a very simple sort of. Yeah, it's a simple example, but it's a good one. So here you have a chart of this happens to biotechnology stocks, and it's a very simple thing. But a lot of people think, well, oh, this stock looks like it's about to break out, and you know, let's buy some. Well, if that's your only research, that's not enough. That is what a lot of people make you believe is all you need to do, but it's not enough. There's more to it. And you'll learn over time. Yes, you can make money with a trade setup like that, but it's not going to be consistent enough for you to like actually feel comfortable with it. It'll be very random. Some will work, some of them won't work, and then sometimes it'll work for weeks and months, and then it'll stop working for weeks and months. You know, so there's another layer of several layers of sort of things one has to learn. So I just wanted to tell you, don't give up. Again, I promise not to turn this into some sort of a motivational speech type of channel, but I just wanted to kind of give you this talk right now because I feel it's appropriate heading into a big week, earnings-wise, but with a lot of opportunity. But at the same time, it's a week where a lot of you guys might be at the beach or maybe taking a little bit quieter. So I think it's just kind of something to think about and remember that if you really are serious, you don't give up with this, but you stick with it. And the more risk-averse you are in the beginning, ultimately the better and the more successful you'll be. So I hope this is helpful, folks. Have a great start to the week. I'll talk to you tomorrow.